Like corn? Corn? No corn.
So we're in Krujë, which is just above Tirana up in the mountains, and we're at a traditional food fair.
Exactly, it's traditional food fair. Krujë has history, Krujë has a beautiful nature, but also has the food. And today is a food fair. Krujë is the only city, only castle that has too many people that live inside. And the girls and women and the grandmothers are preparing for all tourists our delicious food. So enjoy it and welcome to Krujë.
One of the main things about this is just the traditional food that's being made. So we've got plates of traditional food that we're going to be trying, but we're waiting for someone who can explain to us what all the food is.
Tu ne I themi breku trash.
Trash.
Po.
Okay.
Në dialekt
Thick. In Krujë, we call this yaprak. In the south, we call it dolma. And dolma is a Turkish word. It's grape leaves stuffed with rice and spinach. So, I'm excited. I love dolma.
That rice is so soft.
It's so
That's
flavorful.
Because it's baked under the,
Pretty sure they cook it in
under the
butter.
leaf.
Probably.
This dessert is very interesting. They cook it with rice and lamb meat from the neck. They take a piece of neck lamb meat and it's those strands. And it's
What else is in it?
known for, in Krujë, it's known as one of the most popular desserts. It's lamb meat, rice, sugar, honey.
Ooh.
It's very
Very sweet.
interesting. It's
Very sweet. You could do it with just the honey, you don't need the sugar.
This is a veggie patty. So they call it chofta me perine, which means meat patty with veggies. And they use heather, which is something they grow in their backyards a lot. And if you touch heather, it gives you a
Stinging
rash.
nettles.
Yeah. there
Like
you
in
go.
that last video that we made the Burek with Andy. We'll link it up in the corner.
Yeah.
But this chofta is made the same. So this is like a
Yeah.
patty made out of the same stuff.
Yeah, and
Wanna try
they
that?
add spinach, they add a whole bunch of greens, and they mix it up, and then they fry it in little patties.
That's good.
This is so good.
That one is really good.
Just when it goes out.
Now we're going for the Burek. So this is spinach and rice in thin pieces of dough, basically. Hey, the focus is on her face. This is annoying. Why isn't the focus on me? It's my video.
What should I do? Where do I go? You can't see me because it's blocked.
I love the ones.
All the greens, they're so good.
I love it when they don't put yogurt in the Burek because then I can eat it.
So this is the typical Krujë burek, and it is with milk and butter. It's called burek me gjallë dhe çurmësht. And it's called burek e thrash. That's what they
It's
call
like wandering
the
around in
thick
the background.
burek. And it's a lot of layers, and okay, I'll try it.
Just take a bite of it or something.
It's okay. I think the burek with spinach is the way to go.
In addition to the food, there's also some traditional music and dancing happening up here. So I'm going to show you some of that as well.